Mom, you know Zoe is lying. You're still backing her up.
Jason, she brought pregnancy test reports. That can't be a lie.
Mom, I will not let her win this nasty plan. I'm telling you, I didn't do anything. I like Leah, and I will only marry her.
Are you out of your mind, Jason? You know what her father did years ago. Your father had to suffer the damage Charles caused to the company.
I already told you, I will not be a part of what Zoe is up to. I will marry Leah, no matter what.
Clever girl. You've made our lives hell. First it was your father, and now you're making my son's life miserable too.
Please believe me, Aunt Cynthia. I didn't do anything. Nothing happened between me and Gary. I didn't even want to go out with Gary. You forced me to go with him.
Shut up. Don't put this on me. How would I know you turned out to be like your father? Fraud.
Mom, please, I trust Leah. We should investigate who sent those pictures.
Investigate? Absolutely not. You shouldn't waste your time on this mess. I'll handle it myself.
No, Mom. Let me do this my way. Who are you?
Can I see my daughter, please?
Daughter? I don't understand. What are you talking about?
I want to meet Leah, please. Let me see her for once, and then I will go.
You're Leah's father? You are Uncle Charles. Oh my God! Please, come inside.
No, Cynthia wouldn't like it. I just want to see my daughter. Cynthia told me she ran away, but I know my daughter would never do that.
What? Mom said that?
Good morning, Jason. Any plans about joining the office?
Yeah, Dad. How about today?
Are you serious? You're coming to the office with me today?
Any doubts?
I hope I'm not dreaming. This is such good news.
You've worked enough, Dad. I want to take this responsibility now.
You've made me proud, Jason.
Mom, how much longer do I have to keep up this act for Jason? I'm tired. I want to hang out with my friends and chill.
I'll talk to Cynthia today.
Yeah, please. I'm getting bored now.
Sandy, where were you? I asked you to tell Zoe to stay close to Jason this time.
I told her, but she's getting irritated by all this drama. Whenever she tries to get close to Jason, he brings Leah in between them. You know Zoe is doing this because of us. It will be trouble for us if Jason keeps doing this.
You're right, Sandy. I'm also frustrated by this behavior of Jason. I want to tell you one more thing.
What?
Charles came a few days back.
What? This is not good. Did he tell Victor anything?
You know me, Sandy. You know how I handled these things years back. I'll take care of him.
Dad, I want to see old records of the company.
Old records? Your first day in office and already started working.
Just wanted to know what happened a few years back between you and Uncle Charles when he launched his company.
Ah, Jason, you reminded me of an old friend who betrayed me.
Maybe he was framed.
I will never forget what happened. If you want to see old records, you can visit the record room. What a nice surprise, Zoe. It's been a long time.
Yeah, Uncle. Both you and your son forgot about me.
Haha, that's not true. I'm glad you came. You two should spend more time together as your wedding is near.
Leah, bring my lunch to my room, please.
Yeah, I'm starving. I'll have lunch with you, Jason. Leah, bring it for me too. I'm going with Jason to his room.
Zoe, please. I'm tired. Let's talk later. Leah, I'm waiting. Leah, there's something I want to tell you.
What?
I met your father yesterday.
Dad? Where? Why didn't you tell me this yesterday?
I couldn't get a chance to tell you.
How was he doing? What did he look like? It's been years. I want to see him, Jason. I want to meet him.
Easy, Leah. I forgot to take his address, but he will definitely meet me soon. I'll take you to him then. Trust me.
Trust you? You made me a fool. Why didn't you tell me before that you have a thing for Zoe?
Leah, I can't say anything right now. This is all part of some plan, but trust me, I love you.
If Dad came, why didn't he take me with him?
I'm sure he had his reasons, but don't worry, Leah. I'll find him, and you'll meet Uncle Charles soon. Dad, Uncle Charles applied for a loan from a bank for his business, right?
Yeah, but why are you asking?
Isn't that the same bank that Aunt Sandy's brother owns?
Yes, it's the same bank. In fact, Sandy tried hard for this loan, but it didn't work.
Dad, didn't you ever think you should look into this incident?
Jason, it was not needed. It was an open and shut case. Charles didn't even give his testimony. You look bothered. Are you hiding something from me?
No, Dad. I was just thinking that Uncle Charles wasn't just a friend to you. He was family. Why would he do that?
Jason, everyone wants growth. Charles always wanted to have his own company. Maybe he wanted a shortcut for it.
Hey, Zoe. How are you doing?
Jason, what a surprise! You finally came to see me. I thought you were ignoring me, honey.
Baby, how can I ignore you? You're my sweetheart.
Wow, you two look happy today. Are you planning on going somewhere?
Yeah, I wanted to take Zoe to buy our wedding rings.
What? Wedding rings? Are you serious, Jason?
Yes, honey.
Why didn't you tell me this before?
I wanted to surprise you. Let's go. Mom, today I took Zoe with me to buy our wedding ring.
That's wonderful. I'm so happy, Jason, that you agreed to this marriage.
Of course, Mom. How could I not? She's expecting my baby.
Sir, Mr. Charles is here to see you. Would you like me to send him in?
Yes.
Hello, Jason. How are you?
I'm good.
I didn't have the courage to come and see you again. I felt so embarrassed about what happened between our families.
I know it wasn't your mistake. You did nothing. But why didn't you give your testimony? Why did you never talk to Dad about it?
Back then, the situation was not in my favor, Jason. Victor believed what they showed him. I'm extremely thankful to Victor for taking care of my daughter all these years.
You don't worry, Uncle Charles. I'm looking into this case myself, and I will prove that you are not guilty.
Jason, are you getting married to Zoe?
Yeah, I have something to tell you.
But you said it was all Zoe's drama and you never liked her.
What are you two talking about? You little bitch. You're influencing my son again.
Mom, please, there's no point in talking about this. Can you arrange our wedding this Sunday and invite everyone?
Sure, I will talk to Sandy and Zoe. I'm so happy for you. You stay away from my son. Oh my God! Our Zoe is looking beautiful in this gown.
My girl is getting married. Cynthia, I can't believe our kids are getting married. We've always wanted this. By the way, where's Jason?
Well, speak of the devil, here he is.
Hey, handsome.
Thanks, Aunt Sandy.
Since everyone is here now, shall we start the wedding ceremony?
Dad, I want you to wait a little. I'm waiting for a special guest.
Who's that special guest, Jason?
He's here, Dad.
Charles, you?
What is this bastard doing here? I told you to stay away from my family.
Did Charles come here before? Why didn't you tell me?
There are a lot of things you haven't been told, Dad.
Shh, Pumpkin. It's okay. Your dad's here now.
Aunt Sandy, don't you want to say hi to Uncle Charles?
Oh, hi, Charles.
Anything else you want to confess in front of everyone?
Confess? What are you talking about, Jason?
Sandy, it's been years now and you're still lying.
Cynthia, what is he talking about? What does she know?
I'll tell you, Dad. So, Aunt Sandy, should I say it?
Cynthia, what is he talking about?
I'm talking about what you and Mom did back then. You set him up. You had the bank declare him bankrupt. You forged those documents. And he paid for a crime he didn't commit. Why did you frame Uncle Charles?
Sandy, I thought of you as a family, and you did this to me.
What the hell is going on here? Is this a wedding or a courtroom?
Come on, Jason. Let's complete the ceremony.
Shut up, Zoe. Enough with the drama. I know you're not pregnant. You're just doing this to marry me. I've never liked you. You're just a spoiled brat.
How dare you talk to my daughter like that? Zoe, we're not staying here another second. Let's go.
Cynthia, why did you do that? You knew Charles was more than a friend to me. You kept an innocent child away from his father.
I was afraid of his success. I thought he might betray you.
He was my friend, Cynthia. I can't even look at you right now. Get out of my sight.
No, Victor, please. I'm ashamed of what I did. I don't know why I felt so much hatred toward Charles and his daughter. I was so blinded by it, I couldn't see right from wrong. Charles, please forgive me. I don't want to lose my family.
Now you know what it feels like not to have a family.
No, Victor. I've spent so many years alone. I don't want our families to fall apart now.
You still haven't changed. You're still the same, always forgiving everyone. All these years, I thought my best friend stabbed me in the back. I should have listened to you.
Come on, Victor. There's no point in talking about all this now. Let's leave the past behind and start fresh.
Leah, I'm sorry. I've always treated you badly. I've done so many wrong things to you.
Auntie, please, you don't need to apologize to me. I've always looked at you like a mother.
I know this isn't the best timing, but I don't want to wait anymore. Will you marry me?
But...
I always wanted this, Leah. Please. Will you marry me?
Yes! Yes, Jason, I will.
Ma'am, step away. You're under arrest for bank fraud and falsifying financial documents.
What? No, this is a mistake. I didn't do anything. I'm innocent. My brother did it. Arrest him, not me.
Save it for court. You're under arrest.